everyone, check out this handmade wool keychain set, hairband, and flowers. You could watch me turn wool into this little cutie instead. Every stitch by hand, no machines, just me. A hook and bad posture keychain with doll, flowers, Barbie, and Daddy Bear. So I gave her all keys. Get a bestie. But why should they have all the fun? So I made a matching hairband. And these clips for when you want to twin with your bag. Keychain, hairband, clip, all from wool. All
the dreams we had
handmade, all slightly unhinged.
So many cute things.
Slow fashion wear. Comment your fave color, and I might make it next. Enjoy the video.
Do you remember us together in the light, under the orange sky so bright? A kiss up in the hills so high, watching the sun say goodbye. Blowing soft and sweet, holding hands with memories neat. We talked about the day so young, and all the dreams we had begun. So many cute things we would share. Future plans were in the air. Do you remember us together in the light, under the orange sky so bright? A kiss up in the hill so high, watching